So yesterday I had 1 period or 2 periods with you all.
Sir, yesterday
Sir,
you
two.
have 1 period.
Sir, 1 period. Yes, sir, 1 period.
There was no arrangement.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Madam? Arrangement नहीं लगा था?
Sir, there was arrangement, sir, but Usma ma'am.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, sir, yesterday science ma'am's arrangement. Usma
Okay,
ma'am took.
I had only 1 period yesterday. चलो. Now, यार मुझे चलो maybe so exercise 21B 21B exercise 21B Hanji. We have done till question number 9, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what was the answer of question number 9?
Sir, the answer of question number 9 was 15.
It was 15. बेटा जो हमने question number 9 करा उसको
Yes, sir.
तो पूरे को कट कर लो. We will do it again. Yes, because हम एक काम उसमें बहुत जरूरी काम है.
Cross it.
Yes, you just cancel it because the method that we have used in that question is wrong. By mistake, I forgot to tell you something very important. So we will do it again. We will correct the mistake. मैं इस चीज बताना भूल गया था.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. बताइए. हाँ जी. Okay, so we are doing question number 9 of exercise 21B.
8.
Mark exercise, then number of students, and then cumulative frequencies. Okay. Now, don't write anything, all of you. अभी मत लिखना कुछ भी. Yesterday,
Okay, sir.
we had not arranged the data in ascending order. In this question, the data is not given in ascending order. Is the numbers, the observations are the observations which are given in the question? They are arranged in ascending order? No. So what is the first rule of
No,
finding
sir.
median? पहला rule क्या है median find करने का? You have to
Arrange
the
all
data.
the observations in ascending order.
Yes.
All the observations in ascending order.
Yes, this is the rule. So yesterday we forgot to do it. So today we will correct that mistake. I don't know कैसे दिमाग से रह गया वो. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So because in question number 8, the data was already given in ascending order. So we forgot to do it in question number 9. In question 9, the data is not given in ascending order. We have to arrange it in ascending order. How we are going to do it? Just look at this. Now, the marks obtained, least marks कितने दिए हुए हैं यहाँ पर? 15. 15 is the least mark. And what is the frequency of 15 given in the question? What is the frequency given? 3. So you will move the frequency with its corresponding observation. जो observation को आप move करेंगे, अगर for example मैंने 15 को ऊपर move किया है, then आपको उसकी frequency भी उसी के साथ में move करनी पड़ेगी. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Move the
Yes,
frequency
sir.
with its corresponding observation. Okay. Now the second will be 17. What is the frequency of 17? 5. Then it is 20. Frequency of 20 is 9. Then 22. Frequency of 22 is 4. Then it will be 25. Frequency is 6. And finally 30. The frequency is 10. So these are the observations. Anji?
Sir, in the frequency it is 3, 5 and 9 is bigger than 4.
बेटा ध्यान से देखो. What is the frequency of number 20? Marks 20 की frequency question में देखिए कितनी given है.
Sir, it's 20.
अरे 20 marks की frequency क्या given है question में देखिए आप. 9. So you will
9.
write the frequency. Are you getting my
Okay, sir.
point or not?
Yes, sir.
In front of 20 marks. 9 is the frequency. 22 की frequency क्या है? 4 है. Okay. Then 25 की frequency is 6. So you will move the frequency with the corresponding observation. Okay, so now make the cumulative frequencies 3, 8, 17, 21, 27, 27 plus 10, 37. So in this case, the value of capital N is 37, which is odd. Okay, what is the value of capital N? 37, which is odd. Median will be equal to N plus 1 whole upon 2th observation. That means 37 plus 1 whole upon 2. 38 upon 2, 19th observation. What is the 19th observation in the given table? Now here you will find the number which is just greater than 19, that is 21. And what is the observation corresponding to 21? It is 22. So what is your median? Median is equal to 22. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Sir, can you tell me how you find the CF?
Cumulative frequency is very simple to find. First frequency you will copy as it is. 3 को as it
Okay,
is
sir.
copy करेंगे. Then 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 10, 37. Simple.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Very easy. Okay. Next question number 10.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please wait for a minute.
Okay.
Sir, done.
अवनीश बेटा माइक ऑफ कर लो, ये बता दो घर में क्या बन रहा है खाने में।
सॉरी सर।
अरे कोई बात नहीं बेटा, सबके घर में खाना बनता है, हमारे घर में भी खाना बनता है, तो मालूम हमारे यहाँ भी खाना बनता है।
सर सबके घर पे बनता है।
और बेटा
सर सभी के घर पे बनता है।
सबके घर पे खाना बनता है। सॉरी वाली क्या बात है? अब कोई अच्छी सी चीज का नाम बता दो कि घर में क्या बन रहा है, ताकि मेरा मूड अच्छा हो जाए। कोई अच्छी सी चीज का नाम, मैगी वैगी मत बोल दो ना।
सर पास्ता।
अरे तो पढ़ाने
सर
से
मंचूरियन।
सर छोले भटूरे।
अरे अरे ऐसी ऐसी चीजों के नाम मत लो, पढ़ाने का मन नहीं करेगा।
Okay, sir. Sir, again is burger, pizza.
बस मैं म्यूट कर दूंगा सबको अभी।
Sir,
क्वेश्चन
pav bhaji.
नंबर 10,
Sir, Maggie.
हाइट। अरे बस एक्सरसाइज। मैंने अपने लैपटॉप की वॉल्यूम ऑफ कर दी।
सर हाइट के साइड में क्या लिखा है?
एक्सआई ऑब्जर्वेशन, नंबर ऑफ
XI।
number of students, FI. Now is the data given, is it in ascending order or not?
No sir।
The data is
Ascending.
again not in ascending order, so you have to
Yes, sir.
arrange the data in ascending order first. Start arranging the data in ascending order. सबसे छोटी frequency, sorry, the smallest observation is 151 in this case.
152।
151 is the smallest. And
Yes,
what is the frequency of 151?
Yes sir।
6 is the frequency. Frequency को observation के साथ में move करेंगे. Okay. 151, the frequency is 6. Then 152, the frequency is 3. 153, frequency is
3।
12. 154, 155,
12।
156 and 157. These are the observations. Complete करो टेबल को, जल्दी कंप्लीट करिए।
150, 150,
Read the table on your own.
156, 8, 157,
बेटा माइक ऑफ करो। ओम
CF 6,
Sir, completed the table. Sir, CF is 6, 9, 21, 25, 35, 43, 56.
So 154 frequency is 4, 10, 8. 4, 10, 8. 157 frequency is 7. 6, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. Plus 4, 25. 25 plus 10, 35. 35 plus 8, 43 plus 7, 50.
35,
N is equal to 50.
43,
The value of N is 50. Okay. Now, median. What is the case?
50,
The value of N is 50, which is even or odd?
Even, sir.
Even. So, case 1 or case
Sir,
2?
even.
Yes, correct. Case 1 or case 2?
Case 2, sir.
Case 2.
Sir, case 2.
N by 2th observation plus N upon 2 plus 1 observation whole divided by 2. Write the formula first. Always write the formula first. Okay. So value of N is 50. So this becomes 25th observation plus 26th observation whole upon 2. अभी यहाँ पर इतना लिखने के बाद रुक जाएंगे. I will explain what to do after this. Okay. First, you all note down till here, and then I will tell you what to do.
Noted, sir.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, noted.
Very good. Anvi. अभी आगे बताते हैं क्या करना है.
Sir, done till here.
Rajnandini.
Sir, please tell the next part.
अरे वाह, Jia Tiwari is there in the class. Very good. Jia, beta, how are you? बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई. Jia Tiwari, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Why were you not attending the classes earlier? पता नहीं. ऐसे ही. अरे मंदीना is also there. कमाल हो गया यार. कमाल है.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, now from 4 or 5 days I am attending your class.
बेटा मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं. बुरा होना ना. मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ. मैं आगे भी ऐसे मजाक करता हूँ.
Yes.
तो होने वाली बात नहीं. हाँ जी. राजनंदिनी, आर यू देयर? Okay. So after this, now all of you, please pay attention. I want you all to pay attention. This is an important part of the question. Very important thing. Yes, Ayush Agarwal, इधर देखो कहाँ देख रहे हो? देखिए. अरे वैभव सुधरेगा नहीं. वैभव कैसी बातें कर रहा है? देखिए. 25th observation. 25th observation. 25 तो यहाँ पर है. 25 is there. तो हमें उसके ऊपर बड़े नंबर पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So if 25 is there, you will write the observation which is corresponding to 25. कौन सा है? 154. So you will write 154. And 26th observation. 26 दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पर? नहीं दिख रहा है. 26 is not there. So 26 के लिए क्या करेंगे? You will go on to the number which is greater than 26. So that is 35. 35 के सामने वाला ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? 155. So that is 155. The observation which is corresponding to 35 is 155. Okay. Are you getting my point or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Answer is
Yes, sir.
154.5. नंदीना, आज ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या बना है?
सर मुझे अभी तक नहीं पता है।
मुझे नहीं पता। कल क्या बना था?
कल सर चीज पॉकेट।
अरे ऐसी ऐसी चीजों में नाम ले रही लड़की जो मैंने सुना ही नहीं है। Is it clear to everyone? Have you all noticed the difference between the last question and this question? 25th observation, the number 25 is there in cumulative frequencies. यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा है 25. So you don't have to move on to the number which is greater than 25. It is not required because 25 is there. So you write the observation which is corresponding to 25, that is 154. 154 and 26th observation, now 26 is not there, so you will move on to the number which is greater than 26, which is 35. The observation corresponding to 35 is 155. Okay, so 25th observation 154 and 26th observation 155, and the average of these two is 154.5. Clear all of you or not? Clear?
सर हमने
Sir,
इसमें
clear.
2 मीडियंस क्यों निकाले?
Yes, sir. Clear.
सॉरी बेटा, फिर से बोलो क्या हुआ?
हमने इसमें 2 मीडियम्स क्यों निकाले?
बेटा 2 मीडियन नहीं निकले, मीडियन तो एक ही है 154.5, but the method is changed. Why? Because this is the value of n is even. मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में when we started
हाँ यस है यस।
ना, got it? So there were two methods. One method is for odd and the second method is for even. So I made you write down two cases. This
Even.
time we are using the second case because n is even. Okay. Okay, next topic is mode. I want you all to write down the heading of mode. Write down the heading mode. बुद्ध विक्रम सिंह, बड़े नए नए बच्चे दिख रहे हैं आज। क्या बात है, ये टाइम
Sir,
चेंज
written-
की वजह से ऐसा हुआ है क्या? कुछ और बात है?
यस सर, टाइम चेंजिंग की वजह से बच्चे आए हैं।
अरे वाह, तो मैं तो और 1 घंटा और आगे बढ़वा दें क्या? वो हो सकता है
Sir,
15
sir, 14 students are there.
हाँ 14 है ऑलरेडी, और हो
Sir,
सकता है
cross
28
10.
10 बजे का टाइम करा देना, 10 o'clock पे करा देते हैं स्कूल की क्लास, फिर 14 की जगह 28 हो जाएंगे। वैभव सुधरेगा नहीं, वैभव तो मेरे पीछे पड़ा हुआ है, चाह रहा है मैं पढ़ाऊँ ना, ये मुझे वो चैट बॉक्स में नई नई डिशेस के नाम लिख के भेज रहा है। Rudra Vikram Singh is also there in the class. Sahil Khan is there. Sahil Khan, beta, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Okay, mode, write down the heading, mode, and then write down the definition of mode. I am going to dictate the definition. You all please note down.
Sir, mode is the value of a variable which occurs most frequently.
This is what the
Frequently.
definition given in the question, but
Book.
I will make you write down. Yeah, this is there in the book. I will make you write down definition which is easy to understand. So, in my own words, that will be easier.
Okay, sir.
So, please note down the observation. The observation which has the observation which has the highest frequency is known as mode. Simple. सपोज आपको एक टेबल दी हुई है, उस टेबल में जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज्यादा वही मोड है. बस.
Sir, done.
The observation which
easy.
has the highest frequency is
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी. जी बताइए.
Sir, 9 minutes are left.
9 मिनट में तो ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगी.
सब पूरी एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगी.
अरे हाँ सर, और क्या.
Sir, only 5 questions are there.
पूरी एक्सरसाइज निकाल देना 9 मिनट्स में.
यस सर.
Sir, on 25 there will be holiday.
Yes.
Yes.
वही होगा.
Christmas.
Sir, but in our school there is no Christian.
That doesn't matter, beta. Not only it is not only a festival of Christians. First of all, everyone celebrates it. So it is a good festival. And second thing, there is another festival which is celebrated in our country. It is known as, in Hindi we call it as Bada Din. Do you know what is the meaning of
Sir,
it?
Bada Din is on 21 June.
Nahi, let
Yes, sir.
There will be a
21.
Christmas
Yes,
Eve
sir.
holiday
21
also.
June is the hottest day of the year.
Sir, I was born on 20 June.
Longest day of the year.
Let me explain you what is the meaning of it. Yeah, why do we call it as Bada Din? Let me tell you. I will
Sir,
bata.
उस दिन ना भाई बड़ा.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर सब सही है, बस उस दिन सेंटा क्लॉज नहीं आते और ना ही सेंटा क्लॉज होता है. It is an imaginary world where Santa Claus is there.
Okay, मैं तुम्हें सेंटा
Sir,
क्लॉज
there
के कपड़े.
will be holiday on Christmas Eve.
हाँ जी. Sorry.
Sir, Christmas Eve की छुट्टी मिलेगी हमारे स्कूल में.
क्रिसमस ईव रात को होती है.
तुम सुबह को मनाएंगे?
Christmas Eve is on 24th, so I don't think there will be a holiday on 24th. हाँ जी, सुनिए ध्यान से. Why do we call 25th as Bada Din? Because you all know that in winters the days, the length of the days starts to decrease and the nights go longer. You all know this. सबको पता है ना, winters में दिन छोटे हो जाते हैं, nights बड़ी हो जाती हैं. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
No, sir.
This happens from
Yes, sir. Aram.
this happens till 24th of December. After 24th of December, 25th से क्या होता है? Days फिर से बड़े होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. So that is the starting of again summers starts to come. But actually this
सर
doesn't.
नेचर के साथ खिलवाड़ हो रहा है.
So then start हो जाते हैं 25th onwards. फिर से days बड़े होना start हो जाते हैं. So that is why we call it as बड़ा दिन. It is not actually the biggest day of the year. ऐसा नहीं होता. But from that day, the days, the length of the days, the time for day starts to increase and night time starts to decrease. That's how.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm sad to listen that.
Sad to listen. Why? Acha, you
Sir.
like winters.
No, sir.
हाँ.
सोने का टाइम चला जाता है ज्यादा.
Oh. Mode. Question number 1. So we can do all these questions in the book only, all the 5 questions. Let me tell you, in some
11,
of the
sir.
questions, यहाँ पर median और mean भी निकाल सकते हैं, but we don't have to find median and mean. We will find only mode in all the 5 questions. अब
So
mode क्या
second
है?
one is 40.
लो सुनो मेरी बात सुनो बेटा पहले ध्यान से. Let me explain this to everyone. Mode क्या है? You see the question, first part. Everyone, look at the observations carefully.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that some observations are repeating in this. कुछ observations यहाँ पर repeat हो रहे हैं. कौन से observations repeat हो रहे हैं देखिए.
Excuse me, sir.
8 sir.
Sir,
हाँ जी, हाँ
the
जी।
mode is 8.
Mode is 8, अरे वाह, बड़ी जल्दी समझ में आ गया। So the observation which is
Sir.
coming the highest number of times, observation that is coming highest number of times is the mode. यहाँ पर कौन सा ऑब्जर्वेशन सबसे ज्यादा टाइम आपको दिख रहा है?
8 sir.
So the mode is 8. Second part में मुझे बताओ what is the mode?
27 sir.
27.
27.
दो सात
Write the answers in the book only. Observation which is coming most frequently, इसको बोलते हैं frequency ज्यादा होना. The observation which is coming most frequently. The observation
Answer
that
question
is
number
number of
question
times.
number 2 is 32. Question number 2 is 32.
Ah, very good.
yes sir
32.
क्वेश्चन है तो
Question number 2, the answer is 32. Third one, अभी एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए please all of you. In question number 3, there is a table given. After the table, in the question they are asking, find the median and the mean using empirical formula, calculate the mode. इस पूरे को कट करके you just write calculate the mode, बस simple. ये पूरा ना तो मीडियन निकालना है आपको ना मीन निकालना है, because this thing is not in your syllabus. Empirical formula should not be there in your syllabus. RS अग्रवाल ने अपनी थोड़ी नॉलेज यहाँ पर झाड़ दी है, so that is not required. So write down the mode in this case. Highest frequency बताइए किस observation की है? The highest frequency is 12, but the observation
12,
which is having highest
5 to 5
is 525. So your answer is 525, not 12. 12 आंसर नहीं होगा, आंसर क्या होगा? 525.
Second answer is 22.
22.
Third answer is 48.
the third answer is
Fourth one,
48 sorry
fourth one, the answer is 22 because
22.
22 has the highest frequency. And last one, बाकी के
फिर भी
दोनों parts
खाली।
में भी यही काम करना है. And the last question,
54 sir.
the answer
58
is
sir. 58 sir.
50 अरे 58 कहाँ से हो गया? 48. 58 कौन बोल रहा है? In the last part, the answer is 48.
48
Okay. So, is anything required to write in the notebook? Anything?
Nothing sir. Nothing sir.
Everything
No,
we can
sir.
Nothing, sir.
really do it in the book. So, here the chapter ends. The last exercise was the easiest and the quickest to do. देख लो भाई, अभी भी 2 मिनट बचे रहेंगे. आप लोग कह रहे थे कि कैसे हो जाएगी पूरी एक्सरसाइज. अभी तो एक
Sir,
एक्सरसाइज ऐसी और हो जाएगी.
तंदूरी मोमो sir.
अरे
Sir, Chinese noodles sir.
Sir, are you non-vegetarian or
this chapter was
vegetarian?
easy as lemon squeezy
Sir, chicken tandoori sir.
Excuse me, sir.
जी,
Sir, butter
first you
chicken
tell me,
sir.
first you tell me Marlena, you are non-vegetarian or vegetarian?
Non-vegetarian.
Oh, I am a
Both,
vegetarian.
both.
Sir, छोले चावल.
Both कैसे होते हैं मतलब?
Sir means omnivores.
सर कैसे खा लेते हैं मासूमों को ये लोग? उनने कुछ बिगाड़ा भी नहीं था सर.
non-vegetarian
हमारा दिमाग खाते हो जैसे हम खाते चिकन you
non-vegetarian
eat our दिमाग we eat chickens
अरे नहीं, non-vegetarian तो कोई नहीं है यहाँ पर, सब omnivorous ही है.
Sir, but I am a pure veg.
हाँ, I am also
Animals.
pure vegetarian. I am also a
you
vegetarian.
not eat onion
Eggs.
Sir,
also
I am both non-vegetarian and vegetarian.
Very good. I take eggs sometimes. Not.
Means you are omnivorous.
I don't take meat, but
No.
Sir,
I
you are non-vegetarian
No,
you are not
sir.
a pure vegetarian
नहीं, sir is vegetarian.
vegetarian.
Vegetarian word is not there, sir. Smriti ma'am told her.
yes there
कहीं नहीं है,
नहीं नहीं.
होता ही नहीं है.
होता ही
सर
नहीं.
एग का रियल नेम तो पक्षी फल है.
हाँ जी.
सर एग का रियल नेम पक्षी फल है. सर योगी आदित्यनाथ ने रखा है.
अच्छा. तो योगी जी क्या कह रहे हैं कि you should take eggs or not?
कुछ भी सर उनने